Oh, right there. Oh.
Okay.
When my knee hurts, this is what I do.
That's what we do. That's what we do.
I don't sell nothing I wouldn't do. Hopefully she can help me. I don't know.
I don't know. This stuff is old. It's just really old in here.
Jesus Christ.
Doctor here who's way off. This is why he's 5'2". Look up for me. Good. Rest your head down.
There we go.
Good.
There we go.
Okay, I don't hear nothing. But okay. Relax. Deep breath. There we go. There we go. Good. You are old. It went already. Okay. It's the magic touch. A little bit there. Good. Perfect. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers. You're alive. You're alive. Look alive. Here we go.
There we go.
Perfect. He's alive.